engagement manager over here at Health Hub. Straight after my MBA college, I was placed at Health Hub. So it's been a very long association. It's been more than 7.5 years. Now, as an engagement manager, I don't think so. Your progress, your project execution only defines your success. Your team's success also defines your own success. So it's not just about the project execution or the delivery anymore. It's also about the team management, team oversight, and also some pre-execution work like scoping opportunity, resource management, also the rates at which we get project, are we getting burned out or not. So many things are involved at the pre-execution phase. So my responsibilities have also evolved from just executing and delivering the projects to actually pre-executing it as well. I think the consulting industry's shift is not just driven by the current trends like the Gen AI or the AI tools that we've been seeing nowadays, but I think clients' expectation has evolved. We are not just the delivery partners anymore. We are the real collaborator, real partners for our client. And client also expect not just strategy takes from us. They actually expect an execution-driven approach, which is more scalable and agile in nature. I think at Health Hub we have like been prepared for this change since the time we actually had our foundation, which was in 2015 and 2016 when we started this journey. The founders had already envisioned this change, and they've been already working for this change at our company. And also, we haven't stopped over there. A company which was a growing strategy driven focused company to actually becoming now a pure play full scalable delivery partner for our clients who are not just focused on strategy, but we also provide services across real world evidence, digital transformation, innovation, and so much more. So that's how we have always prepared for the change, and we are executing it with full fledged with our diverse strength. We are utilizing the diverse strength of our employees, which are from the background of healthcare, life science, marketing, IT, innovation. Some are even physicians in nature. So we're trying to leverage this strength and try to go into the pace where the change is happening actually. We deal it with every single day because nowadays the client expectation has also been evolved. It's not just about executing a project, it's about delivering a very high quality deliverable and actually providing a high quality presentation to them with some proactive ideas. So my role is not just to be a messenger between the client delivery and the team. My role is to actually think about the approach, think about what the client has not loudly mentioned, but to understand their needs, interpret it, and actually convert it into approach with which my team can actually deliver it properly. I think for someone who's starting their career from Health Hub, gets a bigger opportunity to climb the ladder faster into leadership roles. Health Hub, if you have new ideas, new perspectives, new approach, uh, anything that you want to try, you're welcomed over here. You can give your shot. I think also secondary, I feel that younger consultants here get a chance early in their career to work with multiple teams. They don't just work on a similar project or a similar type of work threads. You get to hear work with different clients early in your career, even with clients directly sometimes. You also have an opportunity to show your approach over here. So I think younger consultants starting their career journey from here, because I myself have experienced it. I've started my journey from Health Hub. So your growth curve is much steeper over here. I would rather say that.